Good morning, guys. No trades this morning just yet. But ASSD, again, last 2 days we were simply long. Today it's going to trade between 9 and 750 area, 930 to 750 area. That's what I'm expecting. But now today it can be short and long. Yesterday we took only 7 or 8 long position. We mostly traded like 765 to 840 3 or 4 times, and then 710 to 780, I think 3 times. Those are the areas. We just kept going long every single time on ASSD. ZKIN, I'm expecting it to get to 480, 470. That's the best short area. I wouldn't mind 465, and it's a short. ZKIN is going to be our short play to start. Right now, VBuy is not our play. CTMX, let me take a look at that. So CTMX needs to be at another level altogether. 1 hour is already gone. Para 40. Saita is trying to make another run. Should be a good one. Nope, it's not. My bad. Saita is not making a run. Saita is not making a run, guys. Whew, it says 40, but it's not. VEE, we need it back at 5 as well. Saita is making a move. I like that, but Saita, we can short it right around 128, 130. It's already done at 7 o'clock, but we weren't around at that time. Should be good. We had a okay time. It was just up and down between this area. We shorted it almost all the time. That's 50 shares from overnight, not much. So that 12% is nothing. Most interesting they can. Looks like a very slow dead market, actually. Very dead market. No long position is paying either. I checked all the long position. Cosmo is still at 42. That's the one that I have a size, swing size on Cosmo. A few others. QBTS is down. It was almost 11. QBTS is at 985. Still up 30%. They still have 800 shares left in it. QBTS. Usually hits 12. It got almost to 11 yesterday, 55%. So it's going to come down. But we cashed out 70% of our position anyway in QBTS. Again, we'll buy this around 730, 740. It was a good play, QBTS. I have a couple of good plays in LUNR. That is 17%. LAES. My average is 238. QBTS. So it got to 1189, made a double top. This is where we sold it yesterday. I have the charts from yesterday. 40% gain. So that's pretty good. But like I said, I still have 800 shares at 753 unrealized, 1800, about 1800. This is ZKIN. Keep an eye on that. I feel like ZKIN is going to fail big time because they ran it after hour. And that price was 250 when they ran after hour. Being a Chinese stock generally means a big drop. I'm reluctant to go in at 420. I think I'm making a mistake. It is a short. By no means it's a long at all. It's a short. Entirely it's a short. PINS. Where's our snap? I know I'm not long in a snap. Snap is only 7% up. Pins had a really good earning yesterday. They're up 14%. I didn't play any earnings yesterday. They're up 40. BSGM. 28%. BSGM needs to be 230. BSGM yesterday went to 340, then came all out. It needs 230 minimum for us to be interested in shorting. 230. That's why we need 230 minimum right there, guys. So is that an old news? BSGM is going to do a merger? May 5th news. Okay, never mind. That's from May 5th. Not a single play. Yesterday we got like almost 8 plays in pre-market. 8 plays. Yesterday was like the best pre-market ever. Mm-hmm. Where's Coinbase today? And CVNA. Wow. CVNA all the way to 285. It was just a day and a half ago. It was at $200. That's another beast. CVNA.
Yeah, every time people think that company is going down, it flips up.
Yeah. No, I thought it was already very high at 230 something. And they had I think they manipulate their earnings big time. So earning was good. Okay, no doubt the earning was good, but considering it was so high, I thought that people would kind of like leave it alone, but no, they took it from 230 to 290, 293, 70-point move in day and a half. I mean, I didn't touch it because I knew the earning was good and the price was already very, very high, so I didn't touch it. I didn't think it was going to move. I thought it would be flat, 5%. Side tab needs a parabolic at this point. It's just grindy. I know, PJ, how good was that? How good was that? So PJ was a smart. So PJ, you and me both bailed out at 255, right? And our average was like 50 something, 58 something or 60 something. So we bailed out, right? Then comes AKS, and I'm like doing some email, and AKS is like, hello, hello, hello. He missed it 4 hours of trading, and then he comes in and he's like, he just sways me, and I'm just joking, AKS, okay? So he's like, yeah, this thing is at 280, and I'm like, yeah, this went to 325, and now I think it's done because it's Chinese, and when it goes up, it goes down big time. So I freaking get in at 284 or 285. I think that's where I got in. And then I took my eyes off. I started doing something else because it was just hanging in there. I was like, yeah, it's gonna go to 212. All of a sudden, he's screaming at $4. He's like, Raj, are you watching? I'm like, holy shit. Then we tried to double, so we were in with half a size. So we doubled. Then the stock goes to 5. So we bailed out for a loss, like 460 something, first time. Then we get back in again at 480. Then we take another loss at like 5 something. Then AKS quit playing. I kept at it. I kept at, I believe I kept at 510. And I can look up the chart. I went in at 520, believe, or 510 short. That paid me till 430. Then it came back at 480, and I took it at 483, I believe. But this time, again, I got bored. 483, and by the time it reached 430 or 440, I got all out. The stock went to 360. And it's hanging around now. AKS is the culprit, right? And then he ended up losing, and he ended up making Norb, our newest member. Poor guy, he can tell his own story, but he had a tremendous gains, like almost 3x profit. Norb, so you lost only profit from yesterday, right? All the profit from yesterday, or is it like the last 2 days?
Last 2 days.
Oh my gosh. So one play. Oh my gosh. So
But
you
that was my mistake. I didn't have things in line, and I was a little bit oversized. And when it ran, I had misclicked, and then just all the things weren't lined up. But it's my fault.
No, so
It's okay.
just to review it, Nor, like, so let's just say, in 2 days you had accumulated almost, we're just gonna say like almost 4 times your expected, right? But in one play you give it
Yes.
all. So that's 2 things that's happening over here. Obviously you're way beyond your size. Of course the stock went almost 50% against you, 50%, because we got in at 285. I know that. Okay, so we got in at 285 and stock went to, let's just say, even 5, right? Which was actually 480. So there was a chance to get out at 425. But if you were still under control and if you were thinking with a composed, you know, I mean, in composed manner, if you were thinking, then say, okay, I'm just capable of giving this much loss. I'm, you know, fine. I lost my entire day's worth of, you know, and you were up even for the day because we did ASSD 8 longs on ASSD yesterday.
Yes.
And there were a few others like V was pretty good for us. We never lost. I think one time we lost on V. So we had accumulated, you know, on a different sizes, of course. It was, you know, when we did ASSD, it was never a full size. It was always like half size, right? But 8 times an accumulation, and all of a sudden you get one play, and that will happen again and again. Every 4 days, you're going to have a play that is out of control. Every 4 days. Every 3 days, you can expect a play like that. So at that point, that is the skill where you have the mental ability to do the right size, give them double your losses, but don't give your entire day's gain or entire week's gain in one play. And you'll have to calculate it on your own because you are looking at the screen. Everybody else is doing their own screen, right? And you'll have to calculate it. So, for example, me, I had got beyond, way beyond. I mean, I still gave up almost 30% of my gain for the day. But it was not going to shut me down. And then, let me see if I can pull up that chart. Let's see, where am I pulling up that chart? So it should be in our room, right? I posted in our room. Let me see if I have it.
It's a pre-market.
Yeah. Yeah, this is where I posted it, guys. So let me see if I can get this. Okay, here we go. Was that the one we lost? ZKIM, yeah. So, you know, we were fantastic. We traded from 172 right here, 174 average to almost 130. We took, our first profit was 148. And we took it all the way to 132. That's a massive 30% on a full size here. This was another one where we did 174 to 148. Now this is where the 3 o'clock comes in, right here, 3 o'clock. So, you know, we do okay over here. We get our whatever 10%, but then the trouble just before close. So we bailed out. So we bailed out right here, made our sizes, cut it, made our sizes, cut it. So these yellow means bailout, right? Yellow means bailout. Even this was a bailout. So there was a one little bit of a profit, but rest were just bailouts and bailouts. These were massive. These were like almost 25-30% profit. So this looked like a stud. Then we're playing this at 4 o'clock. And this was just 2 minutes before PJ, that's what PJ was talking about. We bailed out. Then comes AKS is screaming. This goes to like 325. So, like, guys, let's get in. And I'm like, yeah, this is a great area. Let's get in. I look at the daily. I think 325 is our number. This is a big sell right here. I'm like excited. I'm like, yeah, let's get in. But guess what happens? You cut your size a little bit because I added and cut my size. Boy, this thing is just going up. 375. This is where we had chance to get out AKS right here. You see this? On the screen at 375 on the chart. I mean, you guys can pull it up. It's in the, let me put it up in the pre-market so you guys can see it. pre-market room, so you guys can pull up the chart. Yeah, right? No, that's ASST. That was ASST. This is the one. We're gonna go over ASST. That was so good. So look at that. Now I just posted the chart in the pre-market. If you guys see it, right at 375 at 430, because it was 430 when we got in. When it shot up, it was exactly 430. And boy, they did 2 candles, and those were impressive 500K candles after hours. You know, that is always trouble when somebody's demanding that much. So instead of adding, I should have been out. I mean, I'm from 380. I add freaking 375. I add 425. I even add 450. I cut my size for a big loss because my average is still somewhere around 345, 350 because it's 285, right? 285. You cannot make your average all the way. It's 345. You take a stop loss at 425. Then you took a 75% hit on a full size. Then again, we go in at 475 and take a stop loss again at 525. Then the things prevailed a little bit. 525 here, cut it at 430. So the average was 507 or something like that. So this sanity came back over here. So sanity came back over here. Then 480 came, but then I was not patient enough when it comes like, I'm done. So majority of my size I was out, and then it fell all the way to 370 something. I had 2,000 shares. I took 1,100. I still have 900 shares overnight. Didn't want to keep it too big. Stock kept going down. I didn't take anything. But it came back. You know, so people might ask 2 questions. So if I had a 345 average, why didn't I wait over here? Are you kidding me? It's at freaking $5.60. It could go like 9, 10, 11, 12. So you got to take a big hit. You just have to take a big hit, which we did right here 2 times. We took a big hit right here 2 times, guys. And this took 30% out of the entire day's worth of gain. Of course, it gave it back a little, but not quite the same thing. Now, let's talk about ASST pretty quick. A lot of people are shitting outside and, oh, this, that, whatever, man. We were just simply long 2 days in a row, okay? 2 days in a row, we were just simply long. And I kept telling you guys, there was 2 areas we were trading. One was between 7 to 780. That was one area. And then the second area was 65 to 820 or 830. So this area and this area. So anytime when we got in at 7, we were selling it at 8. Anytime when we got in at 765, I wish I can show you the better chart because it was RSI. We were picking the bottom of the RSI absolutely with 195 million volume. And we kept winning. We didn't lose. There was a couple of bailouts, but they were in money as well. They were never in losses. So we just decided simply, right at 8 o'clock, like today, there's no plays. Today, just simply there's no play, okay? CTMX, I don't know. Simply no play this morning. I'm very disappointed. Yesterday we had huge play. CTMX 33%. Just beat the double top at 140. 1 minute, it's way far. It is a good short at 152. Stock is up 34%. What's the news on CTMX, guys? So CTMX, we'll do this a little bit later in a second. CTMX 152 is pretty good. Get your locates.
No news on that.
No news on that. CTMX, generally speaking, takes about 2 days. CTMX 152. I'm going in, guys. I'll go in quarter size. Oh, come on. 38. Oh my gosh. Come on, dude. Push it up. Oh no. Did anybody get in? I'm not in. Oh boy. I want to start with the 140. Oh no. It's gone. It's gone, guys. It's gone. I'm going to look for some locate fee here. I'm going to look for some locate fee, 32%. Of course, I wanted 152. It got to 152. Just crazy. I'm just going to look for locate fee if it gets to 130 area. It's not really a good size at all. I mean, it would be really good. I mean, I had a chance. I mean, I had the locates when it was a 148. But anyway, ASSD, we were long forever. 2 days in a row. Not one short we took on ASSD. And today, I'm telling you, ASSD is going to be played between 930, 940 average that is. It should touch high 970s and 10s. But from there to 8 or 740, those are the two areas. That's where ASSD is going to be. Today you can do both, short and long. Not that you couldn't short yesterday or day before on ASSD. Okay, here we go. CMTX. Now guys, I'm going to add only 150, 758 area. There is a good area, right? Then after that is 193. So 157. And then after that is on a daily. 1 hour is all gone, okay? 1 hour is all gone. So there's slightly 157. It's not gonna be really profitable this morning. I don't expect anything big out of that one. But again, moral of the story is plays like this, plays like ZKIN would happen every 2 to 3 days. Every 2 to 3 days. So if you don't have the capability to do big sizes, just don't do it in certain times. Market time also, you're going to get 1 or 2 plays like that where you're going to get squeezed into a halt. But you know, before you get squeezed into the halt, how many times we say we're not going to get in the halt? We just, put a range or we'll put a stop loss right there, right? So there's 35. Possibly like right around 131, 130, guys. ASST went to 830. So remember we did, again, what are the areas? 710, 780. RSI play again is going to apply on ASST. But today you can be long and short. So make sure you have your locates for shorts. It's not dying. It's not dying. It's not going to die today. ZKIN, we should, I feel like 465 is the area, but 445 probably is position building area. ZKIN. I don't think ZKIN has a move. Saita is up 43% as well. I mean 33%, not 43%, 33%. They just came up with 600K volume. Should move up a little bit more. Should be a good short. Saita has done its moves, guys. Saita is done with its moves. Saita is not a big deal. %. I'm gonna go in and Saita, get your locates, guys. Into the 40s. Last time we shorted was 235.
Yeah, usually a 230 number, right?
230. Yeah, 230, 240. Going in, guys, going in. Going in on Saita. 800K volume. What's the news on it? I'm in 152.
No news.
152, I'm already in. Let's see if I can get 137. Saita short. Next ad is 178 area. 178. Keep a distance on this. It's a pre-market. But I'm in with half a size already. Oh, wow. I did not get added, guys. Come on. 77%. Okay, in. Average is 164 right now. We'll have to stop out at 191, but we'll add one more time right here. Shit, it's going to stop us out. Oh, come on. 92%. Wow, guys, just crazy here. Okay, now time to stop. Stop here and then come back again. Oh boy.
Stop out.
Yep, we gotta do stop out here. Okay, now we're gonna come back in at 230. This is 2 million. What is going on with this stock? It doesn't behave like this. It does not behave like this, guys. Okay, let's go in half a size right away. Half size. Half size entry, guys. Half size entry. Where did this come from all of a sudden with the 2 million volume. Should come down, guys. 160s, it should come down. Should come down to 160s. Oh no. Moving average just increased to 174. Another pump is squeeze in pre-market.
Yeah.
Let's still take it at 169 or 172. That's where we need to sell our size. Almost all the size, entire size. Crazy. Jesus, still pumping here. Another 800K volume. Let's go full size and we can stop. I think we played it very similarly, but we got stopped at a 211. If we go full size, there was another stock that took exactly the same, but I feel like this is a full size play here. Okay, guys. Wow, it's pretty tense. Let's go down, baby. Come on. If we were full size, we would have recovered half of our money at 180, but still not doing 98%. Hold tight. Sell RSI. If we add more here, that's going to be a crime. If we can add it a 170, 168, that would be better, but then we would have taken our profit by then.
I'll sell now, but
no, but holding the price though, holding the price. And it's 90%, it's holding the price and
uh 210 stop, right?
No. I mean, are you full size?
Like over half size a little bit.
Then go full size at 212, 214, I think. Go ahead, add full size here, I think. Let's just add it. Let's just add full size. I wanted to add a 218, 219, but let's just do add full size here. Let's see if it drops all the way to 168. You just have to take this pinch with the 211 stop, 203, 202 average. Jesus, it's going to kill us again. Yeah, this is what I was afraid of. So I have gone ahead, added full size with the 211 stop. I've gone ahead, added my entire size. The 211 stop is still, the average is 204. Too tight and such a bad area actually. Or one was the 2 was in the area. I need the side to behave now. Full size. Let's go 168, please. One body candle will do us a favor because it would be straight at 170. But it doesn't want to do us a favor. It's like, no, first we're going to take you a stop. See, that does not do this. Usually it fails big and just goes home. So they went way beyond and stopped me out, guys. Wow. Stop me out.
Stopped out.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Just chill, relax. It's 2 stops back to back. This was a tighter one, but again, it's still a good 5% stop loss. Jesus, morning is just, yesterday was so amazing. This is where we should have actually added 225. Would have gotten an average cut 210. We played it wrong. I just went with the mind to be like really. Yep. This is where we could have added and cut and played all the way to 235. There's only simply one thing to do now at this point. Let the volume come down. I mean, why would it not come down from 170 when we got in? That was the number on daily. 1 hour is at 245. 1 hour is 245.
Yep, see that.
Making a lot of mistakes here. Is there a number on 1 hour right now? No. There is no number here at 210.
No number here.
It's at 245. No long on this because there's nothing going on there. The one play we take full size, this is squeezing us. Not anymore, but it was just big losses. We made a mistake. We should have added only at 225 and 205. We would have cut half a size in, add again at 235. That's perfect way to come back. And then have like 4 plays out of it. Just not a good morning.
I think next level is 235, 240 now we have to wait.
Yeah. The volume is coming out now. That's another thing that I see. Volume is coming out, and this is different than, so this is actually getting slammed from the top, not from the bottom. This is getting slammed from the top. This is where we took a stop loss at 213. Going back in one more time. Going back in, guys.
Size or?
Yeah, full size.
Oh, come on.
Keep it tied to 216 stop. 189, we take it out. We recover the last loss at least. Then we'll reset it again. We'll keep it very tight here. We'll leave it at 212 this time as well. Comes to 212, we'll leave it. Let's get at least 22 cents here. That will put us back where we need to be. Just needs to break here. $211, we stop out again. We don't let it go. Keep it tight. 189, 188 is where we get out. We get out 90%. We'll come back again later and see what we can do. 211, we stop out no matter what. We're not going to give them dime here. Need one more body drop to like 80 and 84 here. Come on, 10 more cents. It's just a recovery, partial recovery, guys, okay? Come on. No, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. Before we give us a big body slam. 211, 210, guys. When it touches, we stop out again. We don't give them a cent here. See if we can get 89 and 84. Come on, dumb shit. Oh no, guys, we got a
Ma-
210. We cannot give them more, okay? We're not going to give them. No matter what, how quickly, the minute they touch, you see 1 to 11, get out. Even comes near it, get out. Because this is still in a bull flag pattern. We were hoping that it would just do freaking nuts, man. Fucking dumbass. Goes to 194. Come on, give us a 1 win so we can be good. SRXH is a new stock. We're not going to touch that. $194 again. Just defending this area. Come on, we need it down and out.
Gotta break this.
Yeah, if it breaks here, would be good. At least would recover 22 cents, and then we'll just need 20 cents more, which is fine. Just give us this damn thing, man. Nope, it's not. Oh, never mind. Guys, it's not going to give it to us. It's not going to give us. You can bail out. You can bail out, all right? Bail out. Bail out, guys. Bail out. Bail out. Already bail out. Bail out. Wow, we couldn't get 25 cents from this shit. Even from 210. I'm out, guys.
This is also a micro float, 3 million float on it.
Yeah. It's fine. We'll catch it up again. Starting with the $8,500 in red. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
Look at it. Look at it.
Oh, are you kidding me? That's a hammer. That is a fucking hammer. That is a hammer. Finishes a full body there. Now this is going 178. This is going 178 here now. That's a hammer. That's what we look for.
SRXH.
That is a hammer. This is gone. Never mind. Another mistake. But I got out. Didn't even touch 210, right? We got out early at 207. With 3 candles buys. And now it's 178. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you serious? Price action. Stupid shit. Yeah, this is 178 bound now. Oh my god, this is 178 bound. 188 just happened. 22 cents would have been recovery. Oh my god.
Look at it.
Are you kidding me? I just saw the hammer. It's already gone. 178 is here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's going to do minimum 178. Are you kidding me? Nuts. Now it's going to do 178. Watch, it's not even done yet. You're going to absolutely do 178 right now. This Saita. Hopefully somebody chased it after the hammer. I didn't. They came up with the hammer. They came up with the RSI just when I thought that they're gonna go back to 225, 238. Look at that, 178 is just about to come.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, this is crazy, isn't it? This is crazy, guys.
Which one is this that you're
170,
looking at?
169, 166 UF. That would have given us everything fucking back. Just
What are you guys-
miscalculated it one time, full size. Miscalculated with that price. And I saw that they were coming up with the 600K volume, back to back 3 candles. So I was like, yeah, that was still in a bull flag. Now they're doing even 148. Because that's the next candle, 148. Bottom of that candle. They're already gone with 178. Anybody was brave enough to hold it? Please tell me. Somebody in the room, please say they held. Yeah, that's an old news. They're recycling that news. Oh my gosh. They are recycling that news. I saw that news last week. This is where life started, guys. This is where we started. Somebody tell me they held. This is bottom of the RSI.
I'm in it still.
There you go. Oh my gosh. How are we going to recover? This is going 48 now. That was a recycle news pump, man. These people pumped in almost $8 million. This is going 148. This is 148 is on the way here.
I cannot get anything from that.
Yep, 22 cents we were looking for, and then another 20 cents after that would have been perfect. So it would have been 48 cents and would be actually back in green, but instead we gotta look for somewhere else. RSI is absolutely at the bottom, so let's see if we can get it back to 25. Hopefully it's not done yet. Hopefully it's not done yet. SRXH, just that's a no-go. I mean, there is a 140 number, you know, where the wick happens. Could this be a long from here, this SITA? I don't think so, guys. But you know what? I'm gonna do RSI on this. How about that? Let's go long on a RSI with the 154 stop.
VVE running, Raj.
VVE. VVE? Oh, NVVE.
VVE.
NVVE. Have we ever played that? No, I don't think so. So 1
I think they
hour.
had some earning.
This is really good at 175. It's really good, guys. It's really good. It's really good. Oh my god. Come on, 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 come on. Come on up, come on up, come on up.
Oh,
I'm chasing this. 159. 9,800 shares. Nice. Okay, good. Good. 140 just got it. Fuck.
You got it.
Yeah, 159, 9,800 shares, so that wasn't too bad. Fuck. Seriously, that's stupid stuff, man. That was a really good area, guys. Okay, I am in on SITA long as well. 168. Okay, ASST is at 850. 860. 9%. So
What was the stop you said, right? On the long?
Long, the stop is going to be bottom of that candle, 152. Make your average even better at 158s. 158s. SITA is known to give all of it. But I'll still try this. I mean, I have a 167
right?
average. Yeah, 167 average, half size. I'll add just a little bit more and pretend that I'm playing this RSI. Okay, so NVVE is back where it was. Oh no, come on.
I missed that. I don't know that. NBVE 174 add.
Yeah. Shit, it wouldn't even fill and got down. Meantime, 10%, 20 cents, guys. 20 cents on SITA there. Recovery, okay? So that first thing first, it's a recovery. It's a small recovery. It's not like a huge gains. We're not looking for profit yet on SITA. SITA is just a recovery. So that long is just a recovery. Okay, profit time again on NVVE. Oh shit. Yep, right there, guys. You gotta take this from 170 to 151. It's 148, okay? You gotta take that profit. This time a little bit better size, 9,000 plus. Come on, dude. There we go. Oh, what the fish? Here we go, 142. Okay, here we go. So NWE, 2 times good. For good size is there too. And I have taken profit on SITA at 184 and next is 187. I will be out of my entire 14,000 shares. I'm not playing this, just a long. And 87 I'm out. 87 on SITA for 13% from 166. All out. I'm done with Saita. That was all I needed, was 21 cent long. And I got 21 cents long on Saita. All the way to 87. I'm just 1,300 shares left on NVVE. Saita, there's a slight recovery of 21 cents. Started with 168 and added 162, so 166 was the average. I had a little bit of size left still. But meantime, two nice play from NVVE, and both of them were almost 22 cents or 23 cents. I am not holding even 1 cent on Saita, not even 1 cent. I would not go long for now, or short, not in this area. It's 9:10. I still have 1,300 shares at 168 on NVVE. I will play this at next area, still at 172. 172, I'll go in with another 5K shares or 8K shares one more time. Saita is 187. If you have taken your profit, go ahead. Looks like it will go higher. You might get 190s if you want. Oh boy, that would have been a 32 cent winner. That would have been a 32 cent winner, guys. Wow, Saita. I left 15 cents here on Saita. Anybody capture a good long on Saita?
No.
You're all out as well?
First thing, I did not get the size on that.
Well, at least it's alive, right? At least it's alive.
It's alive, yeah, that's good. Yeah, in the market time, yeah, we can.
So CTMX did hit 131. I mean, we were not paying attention, but it did. Oh no. NVVE is at 182 now. I have an average of 169. $170 is a solid number. Why is it going up now? 400K volume. Make our average, cut our average now. That's all we can do. Okay, so it's let us cut our average. I think we should bail out of NVVE considering it's 912 now, guys. It is going to pay. I think it's a very solid short. It has paid us twice. I think we should not be ruining our day here. Not out yet though, just cut the size. should drop. Should drop big here. Come on, 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 come on. 158, please, come on. $158, come on. Holding half a size, guys. 176 average. Trying to get 156 if we can. Jesus.
195 stop.
No, next ad. Next ad is 195. Just added now. Shit. Cut your size again if it drops. Now we're gonna get smoked or what? %73% is okay.
$1.6 million buy can.
Somebody just played a game here. Big one. It's 11% out of money for me right now. Okay, just add big time, big time. Go ahead, big ad. Big ad, guys. Big ad. Now it's time to do $2 as a cut. Come on, 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 come on. One more, one more, one more, one more, one more. Cut. Cut, guys. Cut, 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 cut. Just size cut. You're good now. Good. Good, guys. 196 average. Cut your size. You're good now. Keep it 1/3. Let's play one more time. Let's play one more time or all the way to 160 here. All the way to 160. I have a 196 average. Is still 17,000 shares in it. Site just going up and down both ways. This should be good, guys. This should come down to 161, 164 from here. It's good. Now it should crash. From here it should crash. It should completely crash. NWVE, NVVE. That's a hammer sell. Come on. Come on. Whew. It's over average now. What's the news on this?
Digital asset advisory consultant to accelerate its Nuvve digital subsidiary.
Okay. Should be good. We should be good, guys. We should be able to see 160s here. It's 186. Come on, another hammer. Finish it off. 17 seconds. Let's not make it any reclaim. No reclaim, please. claim. Come on. Needs to come down, guys. Okay, there's 80. Come on. This is another one that has a great number at 177, misbehaving. Great number at 160 on 1 hour. I mean, 178, 179. Dailies are way too far after this. But every day it goes up, it comes down heavy. But it does go pretty volatile. It's 920, reaching. I gotta look for a stop. It should be very, very good all the way down to 170, 167. There it goes. Come on, one more time, please. Oh no, don't do that.
Wow.
Shit, so close, so far. No ad till 225 now. We can bail out at our average too, but it looks like it would be a dropper. $9.21. Let's add the average right now again. $24. Site is just generating a lot of volume, so that's going to run in market time. This is longer than we normally like to play on this market time, way beyond our time. 188 again, 186. Come on. Hasn't been able to break 180. PJ, that's an awesome average. So you want to take your profit at 170s, 180s, where it is. You know, there we go. Okay, I'm cutting sizes, guys. I'm cutting sizes, just getting enough of that. One more payout would be nice, but it's just holding, but just cut some size. Got more than half of my size, not some size, half a size. I was already in with half a size. I cut half of that, so it's like a quarter now. Even though it has paid me really well, this is the only ticker that has paid me twice, big time, big time. And it's still only paid in profit, so. Cut it at 194, and then I cut it at 186 earlier, and then I again cut it at 189. Now it's looking okay. Just need about 5,000 shares down at 166. Come on, you can do it. 166. 166. Flush. One more. This is the area they're having very difficult time breaking. If they break this, it is 166. 179. They did break it this time. They did break it, guys. They did break it. I'm going to take another 4,000 shares out. 174. Just got it. 11.5%. And I got 2,700 shares left now. Oh my God. Finally it came, guys. Oh boy. 168 just came. Okay. So at least this one stock was nice. 3 times. PJ, you had the best average. 215 average. I did given the market time. What'd you do? Bail out? Oh boy. 154 is also possible. Now I'm down to like only 500 shares, 560 shares. I think the one that I've just got impatient right at 189. That would have been nice if I would have held on. I had 17,000 shares there. Now it's 154. It's all gone. 3 times now. This was good. Okay. Oh boy. I only have 500 shares left. Only have 500 shares left. What can we do? 560 to be more precise. All right, guys. I think we got stuck into the. There you go. That's gone. 500 shares are gone on NVVE. 22%. At least something behaved. So this was exactly opposite of Saita. Saita, we got smoked. This one always worked out. Always worked out. Nice one, PJ. Booked profit. Great work. All right, guys. Let me end my live chat for right now. I got so intense with that one. I got to finish my live chat. Thank you guys again. I was pretty intense this morning. Not that it should have been. There's never, I mean, it's just a trading, but Saita.
Yeah, need to get out of Saita money.
I know we need to make some money from Saita for sure. We will. We did one long. I mean,